guys, today I'll be showing you how to speed up and save space on your Mac. So the first thing that you need to do is to always keep your desktop clean as possible. So for instance, you have a lot of stuff in your desktop that you don't really need. You could go ahead and drag all of those files to your trash and delete them. Also, if you really need to work with those files on your desktop, just put them inside a folder. So in that way, your desktop could be clean as possible. Because loading all of those icons on your desktop whenever you access your desktop somewhat affects your Mac's performance. The next step is to always keep your trash bin empty as possible, because whenever you're deleting a file, the trash is not really deleted. Think of trash as a temporary place for all of your deleted files. Just to show you how this affects your Mac, I'm going to show you my current free storage over here. As you can see, I only have here 36.75 gigabytes available, and now I'm going to empty trash. And now I'm going to check out the new free storage. And now you can see that I have 42.23 gigabytes available. That is why I always recommend to keep your trash empty as possible. Now the next step that I recommend you to use is Clean My Mac. So with Clean My Mac, this allows you to keep your Mac clean and healthy by scanning your system junk, iPhoto junk, mail attachments, iTunes junks, trash bin, and even scan for large and old files. Also, Clean My Mac has an installer option over here which allows you to completely remove apps. It also has a maintenance option over here which allows you to maintain your Mac. When you're done, you could go ahead and scan your Mac. And Clean My Mac should start scanning your whole entire Mac. And once you're done, you can go ahead and review the files if you want to over here. If you're done reviewing, you could go ahead over here and click Clean. Now you need to enter your password for this one. And sometimes quit some applications. Once you've done that, we'll start cleaning, and Clean My Mac will notify you when the cleanup process is complete. So that is Clean My Mac. The next step is to disable unwanted login apps. So you need to go to System Preferences, go to Users and Groups, and over here, go to Login Items, and click here the padlock icon on the bottom. You need to enter your password for this one. Once you've done that, you could go ahead and manage all of the applications that you want to remove from starting automatically on login. Once you're done, you can just click that icon again, and you're done. The next step is for you to delete applications you don't really need, because some of us have a lot of applications in our Mac that we don't really need. So all you need to do is use a app cleaning application such as App Cleaner or Clean My Mac. So you could go ahead and uninstall all of those apps. So for instance, we're going to use App Cleaner, and we could go ahead and just drag the file, drag the application to App Cleaner, and App Cleaner would completely remove all of those clutter that the application might leave behind. And there you go, the application is uninstalled. You just need to do the process all over again until you delete all of the applications that you don't really need. So that is a way on how to completely uninstall all of your unwanted apps. The next step is for you to remove files that you don't really need anymore. So you could go ahead and open Finder and search for some files that you don't need anymore and just delete them. Just take your time in searching for those files. And once you're done, you could go ahead and empty your trash bin. Now the next step is to optimize photos for Mac. So for instance, you have a lot of photos on your photo library. Now all you need to do is go to Preferences, go to iCloud, And on the bottom, click here Optimize Mac Storage. In this way, all of the high resolution files will be stored in iCloud, in which you could optimize your Mac storage. So whenever you just need to view that video or that photos will just download those original resolutions from iCloud on demand. Now the next step is recommended for those using macOS Sierra or later. You can go to About This Mac, click on Storage, and click on Manage. Now you would have this menu over here. Now with this, you could store your files into iCloud by storing some rarely used files to the cloud in order to save space. You could also optimize your storage by deleting some watched movies or iTunes episodes. You could also turn on Erase Trash automatically, in which trash will be deleted after 30 days. And also you could reduce clutter by reviewing some files that you have over here. So the last step that you could do is open this utility and go ahead and select your drive and run first aid. This would check on your drive whether it has some errors, because those errors might be affecting the performance of your Mac. Make sure to also scan your boot drive. And there you go. So here is my previous free storage compared to the free storage that I have now. So there you go. That is some steps that you could do to speed up and save space on your Mac. So if you like to watch these videos that are now appearing on the screen, go ahead and click them if you're in PC, or use the cards button if you're in mobile. So that is it guys, thank you for watching and please subscribe for more.